everyone. Today let's talk about an important topic on menstrual cup and its importance, the benefits and how do we use them. So menstrual cup, these are simple devices which are bell-shaped or V-shaped, and it is made up of various materials, most commonly the silicone or rubber. And it is so designed that it is used to collect the menstrual fluid rather than absorbing it like the conventional methods that we normally use, such as pads or tampons. Because of this ability for it to collect the fluid, it has various benefits over these pads or tampons. So one of the most important benefit of using menstrual cup is their eco-friendliness. Month after month, disposing the sanitary pads or tampons adds to the environment waste, which can be avoided with the use of menstrual cup. Also, the menstrual cup are reusable and thereby it is cost effective in the long run. Menstrual cups can last for longer durations. It can be used up to 12 hours a day. So it also gives you freedom and the flexibility to suit to your personal needs, and it can also be used during various physical activities like exercising, cycling, swimming, or even while sleeping. So how do we use these menstrual cups? Menstrual cups, as I said, are made up of the flexible material which can be folded and inserted into the vagina, wherein it opens up and forms a seal against the vaginal walls to prevent the leak. It can be used for 12 hours, but it needs to be changed every 4 to 8 hourly and depending upon the flow intensity. And these are made of varied sizes which can accommodate up to 20 to 40 ml of menstrual fluid, and you can go for the higher size depending on the flow. Once it is removed, it needs to be emptied, rinsed and reinserted. In between the uses, it is ideal to wash it with mild soap and water, or it can be kept in boiling water for a few minutes. And also it is important to follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions. So if you are looking for any environmental friendly or reusable option, and also which can suit your need and offer freedom and flexibility, menstrual cups could be an answer. Give it a try and explore the benefits for yourself. Thank you. For more information on menstrual cups, please visit Pi Health Cancer Hospital, Gachibowli.